Let's see how we can install NumPys and Pandas library in Python in a virtual environment. So first go to your project directory. I don't have one, so I'll just create a folder and let's call it PyPJ. And if you have an existing project, you can open that project. Now, it's not mandatory to install Python packages in a virtual environment, but it is a standard practice and a good practice to keep all your project-specific dependencies isolated from other projects. So we will create a virtual environment. Now, open your command prompt or terminal and browse to your project directory. As you can see, I am inside my project directory, pypj. Once you are in your project directory, create your virtual environment by using this command, python -m venv, and then give any name to your virtual environment. I'll just call it venv because that is the standard practice. Hit enter and virtual environment will be created. Here, as you can notice, a venv folder is also generated. Now it will take a few more seconds to finish setting up Python inside this venv folder. Once venv is created, you need to activate it so that you can install packages inside it. To activate it, just enter this command, venv scripts, and then activate. Hit enter, and your virtual environment will be activated. That is denoted by the virtual environment name in front of your directory path in terminal. If you are on Mac or Linux, you need to enter a different command that will be shown in the screen. Okay, once virtual environment is activated, then the rest of the commands are same in any OS. You just enter python -m pip install numpy to install numpy. Let's wait a few seconds for the installation to finish. Now we have successfully installed numpy. We will test that in just a minute. Now let's install pandas too. So the command is the same. Just replace numpy with pandas and install. Once everything is installed, let's check if pandas and numpy import successfully or not. So you can just do this python -c and inside double quotes write import numpy, and if there is no error, it means that numpy is successfully installed. Hit enter, and as you can see, there is no error and the code executes successfully. Similarly, we can try for import pandas, and this time also there is no error and pandas is imported successfully. So this is how you can create virtual environment and install NumPy and Pandas in the virtual environment of Python. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.